It's another episode of Financial Tips for Your Everyday Business Life, and my name is Gerald Abi. On this episode, I would like to talk about bookkeeping and basic accounting record operations. It's a big deal for most people in businesses to actually record things in an accounting way or even understand accounting terms and its implications. So I'd like to take this episode to explain a few things when it comes to basic bookkeeping and accounting reporting. One way that a simple businessman can record things in an accounting way is by basic bookkeeping. Basic bookkeeping is just a summary of all your sales and expenses for a period. It can be daily, it can be weekly, it can be monthly, depending on the kind of period that you want to look at your business. So it's one simple way. Just gather all your revenue in one book for a period of time, be it a day or a week. Every sales that you make, be it a cash sale or a credit sale, just make sure you get a book and record all this information in it. At the end of the day, whatever expenditure that the business incurs, be it electricity, be it rent, be it transportation, make sure you involve every single expense into your books. At the end of the period, if you want to see the financial position or the profit position of your business, just compare the sales and your expenses, and whatever difference you make is going to be your profits for the period. Your sales is whatever comes in for whatever you sell by your goods or the services that you render, depending on the kind of business that we are talking about. And your expenses is whatever goes out of the business and whatever obligation that is owed by the business to a third party, be it a service that was rendered to the business or a supply that was provided in terms of goods to the business. So it's one simple way of accounting recording by basic bookkeeping, which I think every business person should understand. If you think that was not good enough or you wouldn't have time to do that, you can simply hire somebody who is good at keeping this kind of information to do that for you. If you want an advanced form of accounting, you can also get an accounting software where it will give you an in-depth reporting of every aspect of financials. It can give you the bank statement, it can give you the income statement, it can give you the statement of financial position, which is also known as the balance sheet. Make it a point to know that it's very important that every business knows its financial and profit position at every point in time, because that will let you know the kind of direction that the business is taking. But I will advise you that if you can't get an accountant, you can do it on your own, which I think is not really a big of a deal. Making these records and keeping track of every revenue and sales that comes in gives you the form of trend that your business is following. All these ways of keeping books for your company or your business will help you know which direction to go and what policies to put in place for the betterment of your company or for your business. So basic bookkeeping, like I said, is a very simple way to understand your accounting position or your financial position in the business, because your sales and your expenses are major key areas that every business possesses. So I believe that at the end of this episode, you can go back to your business, keep track of your sales and also your expenses. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Financial Tips. I hope you got something really beneficial from it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at the CEO Project, and also click on the notification icon so you get notified anytime we upload or we add any new episode in relation to the show. Don't forget to also drop your comments and questions in relation to this episode, and let's get interactive.